Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Chemistry King. And Dr. S.K. Sinha is before you. Today, we will start reactivity in aromatic nucleophilic substitution. In aromatic nucleophilic substitution, three factors are there. Rate of aromatic nucleophilic substitution will depend upon three factors: structure of substrate, leaving group, and attacking nucleophile. First of all, we see the effect of substrate structure. Suppose it is chlorobenzene and nitro group is attached at ortho position. Here this pi bond will break in this fashion. Why? Oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. Moreover, you can say oxygen is second highest electronegative. Fluorine is the first highest electronegative element and second is oxygen. As it is very much electronegative, this pi bond will break in this fashion, and due to that this pi bond will shift in this fashion. Thus positive charge will be here at this carbon, to which this halogen, this chlorine is attached. As positive charge is developed here, nucleophile can attack easily. Okay? Means if nitro group is attached at ortho position at the carbon of ortho position, then it will be more reactive. In the similar fashion, it is chlorobenzene and nitro group is attached to the para position, and this pi bond will break in this fashion, this pi bond will shift in this fashion, and at the same time this pi bond will shift in this fashion. Suppose this pi bond will shift in this fashion, this is obtained, and due to this positive charge, this pi bond will shift in this fashion, leading to positive charge here. Now, it is very much clear that nucleophile can attack rapidly, readily at this position, leading to the aromatic nucleophilic substitution by SN2 mechanism. Okay. Here, if nitro group is present at ortho position, you will get orthoquinonoid structure, and here you are getting, if nitro group is present at para position, you are getting paraquinonoid. Paraquinonoid structure is more stable than orthoquinonoid structure. Therefore, you can say that both the substrate, this and this, are reactive in comparison to the chlorobenzene only. But if nitro group is present at para position, it will be more reactive than this. Para-nitrochlorobenzene is more reactive than ortho-nitrochlorobenzene with reference to the aromatic nucleophilic substitution, and moreover you can say in SN2, AR-SN2 mechanism. AR-SN2 mechanism. Okay. Now second thing, the factor of leaving group, the effect of leaving group. The approximate order of leaving group is this. Friends, this is fluorine. It is the highest electronegative element. Leaving nature, tendency of leaving of group. Here in aromatic nucleophilic substitution is different from the aliphatic nucleophilic substitution. Here we have to see which group is able to produce more and more and more positive charge at the carbon to which this group, living group, is attached. And fluoro group succeeds in this work. Fluoro group produces maximum positive charge at the carbon to which it is attached. And that's why we always remember in aromatic nucleophilic substitution that fluoro and nitro groups are better living groups. Okay, friends. Now, third and last one is the effect of attacking nucleophile. Friends, if nucleophile is stronger and stronger and stronger, then it will attack rapidly and readily. It will attack rapidly and readily, leading to the nucleophilic substitution rapidly, fastly. Okay. It is very difficult to arrange the nucleophilicity order in or for aromatic substitution, nucleophilic aromatic substitution. But an empirical and approximate order can be represented as this. Here, for aromatic nucleophilic substitution, this nucleophile will attack fastly. Okay? It is different from aliphatic nucleophilic substitution. The nucleophilicity for the aliphatic nucleophilic substitution generally depends upon the base strength. Okay? But here this order is quite different. This is the order of nucleophilicity for aromatic nucleophilic substitution. Okay, friends? Thank you very much.